amazing because this ground is really special in my life. As a youngster, I came here as an under-19 kid, started playing here, and what I saw today on the ground, on the streets, and the people over here, I've never seen something like that. And to experience this and the emotions that we felt after the game is unreal, and I will never ever forget, that day and the memories that I have now.
And I know, as player of the tournament, you're also aware that this was such a complete team effort from everyone. Tell me what makes this group of young lads so special.
I'll count myself as a young lad as well, but the experienced players and the other staff that, the variety that we have, the confidence that we have, that all the players are so confident to take the game by the grab of their neck and, pull the team out when they're in trouble. So all of that is as special as they get, and all of us, like Rohit and Virat just said, that all our aim is to take Indian cricket forward and try to help the team as much as we can and take, bring more glory to the country. So it feels special. We've never won a World Cup. First time we won a World Cup. Now we've also contributed something, and this gives us more motivation to do it even better now.
And I know he's very young, but how special was it to have your son there witnessing it?
Oh, it was unreal. Usually I'm not the one who's, at loss of words, but seeing my son and the emotions that came in, I never usually cry after a game, but I started crying and I cried 2-3 times. I spoke to my wife about it as well. To see my son there winning the World Cup and doing so well for the tournament, it felt really special, and I have got no other words for that.
We're so proud of you, Jasprit. I just want to say one thing. Rohit, Virat and Jaddu, all three sneaked in their retirement. I just want to say that when you want to retire from T20 Ice, you'll need at least 1 billion people to sign that petition. Is that a deal from your end?
It's a long way away now. I've just started, so I'm very happy that, I've done well, and hopefully it's far away now.
It's very, very far away. We're going to hold you to those words. Ladies and gentlemen, the player of the tournament, Jasprit Bumrah.